For decades, weather forecasting has relied on solving complicated physical equations, powerful computers crunching physics to forecast what the atmosphere will do next.
Well, we've been using statistical techniques that are related to AI and atmospheric sciences for quite a while. What's really changed is the computer horsepower, the ability to train these AI-derived models over the last few years, and that's having some revolutionary changes on weather prediction.
University of Utah atmospheric sciences professor Jim Steenberg says the biggest difference now is speed.
They do use past analyses that are based on these numerical weather prediction models, but they're much quicker. So the process of producing a forecast can be faster. It uses less computer horsepower.
As meteorologists, we rely on numerical models every day. And while AI can spot patterns faster than ever, it's our job to interpret what those patterns actually mean for Utah.
I think we're in a transformative period in atmospheric sciences and weather prediction. Probably one of the more disruptive periods of my entire career.
That transformation is already underway in Utah's ski community. The forecasting company Open Snow is launching its first AI-based model this winter after years of testing.
It's taking in so many more inputs than a human could ever take in. It's finding patterns over 40 plus years and seeing exactly how storms have performed and where and what they've done. And so it's coming up with much more accurate forecasting.
Thayer says AI models run at a much higher resolution, offering pinpoint forecasts for specific mountain zones and ski areas across the world.
It takes a lot less computing power, so we can run it for the entire world, and we can run it for points very close together. So it's a much higher resolution, and we're also just focusing on the outputs that are the most relevant for outdoor recreation. So that's precipitation amount, temperature, and wind.
Even as these models evolve, meteorologists are still the bridge between complex data and clear communication, turning lines of code into forecasts people can trust.
The way we forecasted the weather 30 years ago is different than we do it today. And in 30 years from now, it'll be different in the future.
AI is changing the tools we use, but not our mission, helping Utahns understand what weather is headed our way. And Utah's Weather Authority continues to adapt and harness these new advancements. Nate Larson, Fox 13 News, Utah.